Hey folks, we just got done riding Aprilia's new 2021 Tuono V4 and Tuono V4 factory. These are liter and above size naked bikes from the Aprilia factory out of Noelli, Italy. Now Aprilia has been crafting its Tuono naked bikes since the 2002 model year, 19 years of Tuono. And these motorcycles are just awesome. Let's start with the engine. This Tuono V4 factory is powered by Aprilia's 1077 65-degree V4 engine. This is the same engine capacity Aprilia used in the previous Tuono V4. They chose not to bestow this engine with the 1mm piston stroke increase like they did the RSV4 sport bikes. But that's okay. This engine just makes a hellacious amount of power. I love how exhilarating this motorcycle is to ride. With its electronic quick shifter, it's just a hoot to roll up through the 6-speed gearbox. The sound, the visceral character and engine vibration that this powertrain makes, this is easily one of the most charismatic and fun riding powertrains in the entire motorcycle world. Chassis on this motorcycle, as usual, Aprilia, if there's one thing they really know how to do well, that is chassis development. And the chassis on this motorcycle, it is just awesome. This motorcycle is so nimble, it's stable. The Tuono V4 factory with its semi-active Öhlins suspension, I love this stuff. You just put it in the mode you want, set it, forget it. Let the machine do the dampening adjustment in real time based on rider control input or vehicle dynamic. I love it. I would absolutely spend the $3,500 extra to move up from the $16,000 base Tuono V4 to the $19,500 Tuono V4 factory, what you see here. Now, in terms of the ergonomics, Aprilia tweaked the way that we riders interact with this motorcycle. It's got a redesigned fuel tank. It still has a big 4.7 gallon capacity fuel tank, which I like. Of course, because this engine is so thirsty at the fuel pump, you're gonna be burning a lot of gas. Thankfully, this thing has the capacity to keep you rolling. This motorcycle also now benefits from LED headlamp, LED taillight. The taillight has a function in it too, so if the vehicle deaccelerates at a very rapid pace, the taillight will automatically flash rapidly to help alert riders and drivers behind you. You have to remember, these liter and above size naked bikes have tremendous braking and stopping power, and a lot of times you can brake so quickly on this motorcycle that vehicles behind you can't even understand how that can happen. Thankfully, Aprilia was focusing on the details. We love that passive safety feature. Good job, Aprilia. Let's move to the dashboard. This motorcycle is fitted with a 5-inch color TFT display. This is a huge improvement for Aprilia. The previous instrument display was just junk. This thing looks way better. The way it's designed is very easy to use. It's very similar to your iPhone. You just scroll through the menu. You can adjust the engine power, the engine brake, the launch control, the wheelie control, the suspension settings. This thing has all the bells and whistles. It also has cruise control standard. And probably one of the biggest features I like on this motorcycle is the ability to actually tune traction control and wheelie control independently of each other while you're riding with these paddle style shifters. Aprilia's had that technology for quite a while with its adjustable on the fly traction control, and that is awesome. You can also manually disable the traction control by just holding on one of those levers even when you're riding. It's just absolutely awesome. Overall, I'm really pleased with what Aprilia has done with its Tuono V4 naked bikes. They have made The standard Tuono, a little bit more capable in terms of street comfort with its higher bar, its tall windscreen. Yet if you want something that's still pretty racy, you can upgrade to this $19,500 Tuono V4 factory and still have that shorter fly screen, that little bit more aggressive ergonomics, and that nice solo tail. I love these motorcycles. They are an absolute hoot to ride. They have all the electronics. And if you're looking for a high performance naked bike that's really just gonna knock your socks off in terms of handling, acceleration, and just general fun factor, this Aprilia Tuono V4 factory is it. All right, folks, that's a wrap from the official North American press introduction of these Aprilia Tuono V4 vehicles. We encourage you to log on to motorcyclistonline.com. That's where all of my written content lives. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please thumbs it down if you didn't, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.